Hey, hello and what's up guys? Today I'm back with the cool and new video, and guys, this is my first video and new channel named Professor of Tech. So guys, please follow my channel and follow me on Twitter to get notified. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to make your own wallpaper with the help of Photoshop. If you don't know how to use Photoshop, then wait for my another video. Okay, so nothing further delay, let's get right into this video. So I have given the link on Photoshop in the description below. I always use a Photoshop portable, so let's go and open that one. So that is inside my PC. So where's the spaceship? Oh yeah, there is. So let's open, and there you can see. Now double hit, and yes, now guys, Photoshop portable or Photoshop is very important for making any wallpaper. So just wait for a while, and boom. Now guys, you have to check your display resolution as how much resolution you are working on. So to do that one, simply minimize, right click, go to display setting, and there you can see resolution. So there I am using 366 into 768, sorry guys, recommended. So you have to go on Photoshop, file, new, and add there. So I had already add. So make that one transparent. Okay, make background transparent and make that width and height pixels. So we simply hit an OK. Advance. Okay, now the box will open. Just wait for a while. 5 4 3 2 1, boom. So as you all can see there guys, there's a box. Now you have to select that tool, bucket tool, and select your one color as which may look professional. So at first your picture will look like that, and if you want to make that one professional, then simply hit on simply check on this box which is down. Yeah, now select any color which may be professional for you. So yeah, that's the color which I really like. No, that's very bad. Okay, yeah guys, I just got a color. Now simply hit an OK button, and cool. Then simply hit on the T button to write any text. I will write my one name, channel name, Professor of Tech, PROF. Don't worry guys, the color is very much this color is same, so sorry guys. Now simply hit on select A and go up and change that one color which looks more professional. Now as you all can see that Professor of the Tech. So I will simply change the color which may be more and more good. So I think that's the good color, not green, not black. Hit it OK. Now this is the most important part guys. Simply change the text size as okay, this much is perfect for me. Now how to make curve, many people may ask. So simply go to that button, and there you can see there are many things to do. The fisheye, the arc line, or whatever. So I think guys that will be more professional for all of the user. So flag, so I just do like this, and horizontal, and lastly vertical, no vertical, yeah, and okay. Now guys, you can see this to my wallpaper, and this is quite familiar. Now oh my god, oh yeah, as you all can see that Professor of Tech. Now what you need to do there is you have to go to Chrome and find any transparent image if you want to put there. Like I will go and type Facebook transparent image. Okay, transparent and enter. Now don't download any of the picture which you see. So I will simply see if first logo is very quite better. So guys, the transparent, inside the transparent there will be some box. So please download that type of image only, because that is very helpful for all of you. Now guys, sync to that, save image as. Okay, I will save that on the desktop. Save. Now you have to go to on Photoshop and file. Oh my god, what's happened? Oh my god, where's that? Oh yeah guys, sorry, you have to check that one at first. Now go to file, place, and simply double hit, and guys click shift and make that one small. That will make your work more convenient. Now simply put that there and right. Now again you have to go to Chrome if you want to put anything. Okay, I will simply search YouTube transparent logo by YouTube transparent. Okay, there's logo. Now guys, I like the first YouTube logo because guys that's more professional. There is also box, so that is transparent. Right click, save image as, and save it as desktop. Go to file, place, and guys select that one. No, yeah. Now shift and make that one small. Okay, so let's put that one here and make that one more zoom. Now click on right button. Okay, let's make, okay, yeah. Okay, so guys, we have done something cool thing to make our work more productive and like a professional. Now if you want to write down there something, then you can write there, like I will write okay, the tech, oh sorry guys, the tech services or service, and I will make its font more small, 50. No, that's very much small. Okay, 100. Yeah. Now guys, that's looking more professional, and I want to change its color to, okay, no, not green. Okay, purple. Yeah, very good. Now simply hit on right button. Now guys, you just created. Now where to save and how to save that thing? Go to file, save as, or where you want to save that, and you can simply save that one anywhere. And simply lastly guys, PNG format. Now you can okay, give any name, or guys if you want to put something side like .jpg, then guys don't put .jpeg, simply put PNG and hit on save, hit on OK, don't change anything in there. So let's go and let's see the wallpaper that you created, that I created. So okay, wow guys, more professional and professor of tech service. Wow. So guys, this is my first video, as I have already told you. And guys, thank you for seeing this video. And guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit like button if you like this video. And guys, if you have anything on your mind, then guys simply write down that in the comment box below. So guys, I am signing out.